We're trying to find a buyer. Yeah. We're trying to find one. Let's go. I said at 560, I'd buy this all day long.
See? Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Man, he was literally on point. Where's Keys at?
That's all that California inflation.
Yeah, but have you seen the inside of this?
I've seen this like hella graffiti. It looks like a New York loft in there or something.
Yeah, that's why I was like, yo, we gotta film this thing. Now we gotta wait for York to get the keys.
My ass was lost. I was on this side street.
Yeah, where were you?
I came to this gate and then it didn't have a keypad. So I'm like, oh, I thought it was maybe for like residents.
What do you mean it didn't have a keypad?
Like, I didn't know the keypad was like on the screen, like virtual. I was looking for like the metal number keypad.
Yeah, you know what's crazy about that? If you look, there's actually a camera.
Yeah.
And if you can't get in,
yeah,
you can actually hit a button. Guy pops up on the screen remotely, and he's a security guard.
Damn. Yeah, I've never seen nothing like that, even in the fancy neighborhood. So I was like, this must be the residence entrance.
What? Well, don't say it out loud.
I thought I whispered it.
Okay, well, I'll let you do it. Alright, let's get a first look at this bad boy. I think we had to take off our shoes too, right?
York's already sweaty. It's that hot out here.
That's why I waited in the car for you. I was
yeah.
like, dude, you put that camera together. I'm not going outside. I know it's so cool. Oh, dude, this thing is... I ain't gonna lie, this is pretty dope.
This is pretty nice, okay.
Imagine if you guys gave the value just looking at the front.
Yeah, in the neighborhood and stuff.
Okay, maybe I might change my opinion now.
Yeah, you know, Vegas owns only on the inside. I mean,
true.
Unless you go to the 5.
Look at the soup can
We gotta throw on some booty
pendants. Oh, we do? Okay.
We're not doing like a full tour and things. Matter of fact, if you guys want to do a tour, like these all ripped. Alright, let's look at this together, guys. Where do you guys want to start? As we turn on the lights. Matter of fact, let's look at this kitchen first. Come on, let's go. Where's the cheat sheet?
I don't know how to turn these on. Some of them are colored lights. Well, it's probably the light switches over here. There you go.
This is my lifestyle right here.
Yeah, this isn't bad at all by any means.
Take a look at the flooring right here, dude. This is all like... This floor right here is actually very expensive to do.
Yeah.
It is?
Very expensive, bro. Countertop's got flakes in it. Oh, take a look at this. You got the full Mario Brothers. That's actually a pretty good idea if you think about it.
With the pipes?
Yeah, with the pipe.
Yeah, you got the artwork behind it to match.
Yeah, he incorporated that.
Those are NFTs.
Damn.
I love this. That's my favorite.
Yeah, no, that's pretty. Is this real?
Looks like it can be.
Oh, yeah, no. Oh, wow, that was weird. Look at that. Mario coming out of the thing.
Oh, that's so cool.
Let's go take a look around. What is this supposed to be right here?
Just a Vegas mural?
Dude, this is pretty creative. So you know how, like on the streets they have those.
The Obey.
Yeah, they roll the papers.
Yeah.
It's Obey style.
Yeah.
They have like 4 artists, I guess. Okay.
Jasper may know who these people are. Jasper's a graffiti artist. Jasper, who are these people right here?
Oh, damn, look at this, bro. Dude, you got Spider-Man? This is pretty dope right here.
And that backyard is really nice.
This would be a nice thumbnail. You sitting on the couch like that with that thing. Oh, check out
Yeah,
Spider-Man up there. Look at Spider-Man up there. That's dope.
Oh no, I'm not gonna do a thumbnail like this. Do it right there, but the picture of it.
Like all the pictures. That's cool.
I would change that though to the real Spider-Man.
How old is the dude that owns this?
Who knows? 3 bedrooms and a loft, 2 baths. Hey, we're gonna get some pretty good thumbnails.
Yeah.
Or good
These are good photos. This is a perfect house for the gram.
Oh, does this work?
Should have a switch on it.
On the bottom, right? This is very industrial. Oh, that's on the lights.
Reminds me of New York. Like a loft. Sound of photogenic.
Yeah, I know, this guy's good.
They're always,
Look at that wallpaper.
Alright, let's go look at this one. Also, alright, this is kind of like a regular bedroom. But yeah, this wallpaper is probably hella expensive, bro.
Bird cages. Decent sized bedroom.
Alright, let's go outside. Oh no, there's another bedroom over here.
Minions.
Oh, this is just wallpaper. Oh, you gotta finish up all this though, man.
Yeah.
You can't have a house like this and not finish it up.
yeah.
Yeah, he has Ted.
Oh yeah. Fire revolver.
The outside is so plain, but you know what? It just makes you want to hang out here. Look how creative this guy was. He sprayed this to break it all, then he still kind of make these little shadows.
Yeah, even on that side.
That's dope.
I like how he put that metal on the gate over there too. This is a sick party house though. I know they had some nice parties here.
Yeah, but then the problem is that where do you put all your guests?
I know.
Rudy, you sweating, dude.
It's hot as
I'll call it Las Vegas. Just pick this up.
Oh, this gotta be airbrush, dude. There's no way you use a paint can with that. That's airbrush.
Yeah.
Oh, this is what's called that doodle thing. There's that one guy on YouTube.
I forget there's an artist, he was in Hype Beast, but he turns like, he did a collab with like Nike. He has shoes but they look like that, like paper, white line art and stuff.
Bro, look how clean these lines are, man.
This is the bed.
So the whole thing is just the bedroom. Oh wow, this thing goes all the way through. It's like a... Oh, it's yeah, it's just like...
Know where the budget ended.
What a budget is. He's like, that's toilet.
This is perfect for a bachelor then.
I can see
Yeah.
York living here, bro.
Yeah.
I don't think.
I can also see you living here as far as artistic. Rudy.
Yeah. Even make a nice studio for like photography and video, have your like all your screens and stuff set up and like to work. I love this window, but it don't look at anything. Yeah, all the railings up here, you can put all your lights and flashes. I would hang barn doors on it to slide just to close it off.
The only thing is just the downfall is it's like attached to another house.
Yeah.
And there's like no parking for like your guests.
Yeah.
And you can tell the HOA restrictor like you can't park on any side. But I mean this is a dope house, bro. Well, if you just do like the sky map view, or aerial view, that's what I should start doing, so that way people can see exactly what's going on.
Yeah.
Well, it looks good because it's a freaking iPhone, bro. Oh no, that's the wrong one.
And stuff like that.
So, are you ready to write an offer today?
Yeah. You gonna be my agent?
Yeah, that's right.
All right, now get the fuck out of here then.
All right, I'll get the fuck out of here then. Smooth pimp walk, right?
Okay.
That'd be dope, right?
Yeah.
Boom, just like that. Alright, let's do a thumbnail.
You know like how the album covers were like in the 80s and stuff like that? Yeah, like I'll be down in the front like pointing